2 single suction tubes, 1 double suction tube, 1 drain ball valve, 1 drain pipe, 1 power cord, 1 instruction manual. Next, I'll explain to you how to use the machine. First of all, we plug in the power cord. The power plug is located on the back of the machine. The start switch. The T-shaped position of the switch means it's on and the O-shaped position means it's off. Press the button of the leakage protection switch. At this time, we can hear the voice broadcast from the machine. Welcome to use the intelligent hydrogen-oxygen generator. The machine won't start before it is filled with water. At this time, the panel will display the T4 code. The E4 code indicates a lack of water. Now we add about pure water into the water tank. Turn the water tank counterclockwise by 90 degrees and then lift it upwards to open it. The water tank of the hydrogen-oxygen machine requires relatively good sealing. Turn it clockwise to close and counterclockwise to open. When the tank is turned clockwise until it is aligned with the 2 dots, the water tank can be closed. The water tank can be opened by lifting it upwards after rotating it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now we are adding about pure water to the machine. The machine is designed to only use about pure water compulsorily and no other water sources can be added. You can purchase about pure water in 1.55 liters or RL bottles. Then you can pour it into the water tank. The maximum water level in the water tank should not exceed 2.4 liters. You can pour the entire RL bottle of about pure water into it. When more than 0.4 liters of about pure water is added, the E4 code disappears, indicating that the machine is already ready to be started. Tighten the water tank lid after adding water. Then press the power switch of the machine to start it. The machine's panel has several functional buttons. There is a power on-off button among them, the child lock, the time add, the time subtract, the voice broadcast button, start the machine. The time add button increases the set time by 30 minutes each time it is pressed. The maximum settable time is 8 hours. You can set the usage time according to your own needs. If you set it to 2 hours, press and hold the child lock button to lock the machine. Once locked, none of the buttons on the screen can be operated, but the machine will continue to work normally. To unlock it, press and hold the child lock button. If you don't need the voice function when using the machine at night, you can press and hold the voice broadcast button to turn off the voice. Press and hold the voice button to turn off the voice. If you need to turn on the voice function, just press and hold the voice button to turn it on. The machine has already started to work normally. You can observe the ambient window on the front of the machine to determine whether the machine is working normally. If there is normal bubbling in the ambient window, it indicates that the machine is working normally. Once the machine has been started up normally, you can start using it. First, insert the nasal cannula into the air outlet of the machine. The other end can then be used for hydrogen inhalation. You can place the nasal inhalation tip into a water glass to check whether the air output is normal. In order to prolong the service life of the machine, it is recommended to change the water in the water tank once every 7 to 10 days. Next, I'll explain to everyone how to change the water. First of all, we connect the drain pipe provided with the machine and the drain ball valve together. The drain ball valve is in a closed position at 90 degrees. It is in an open state at 180 degrees. First, close the drain ball valve. Connect the other end of the water pipe to the drain outlet of the machine. Remove the plug before connecting the drain pipe to the drain outlet. Please note that when removing the plug, do not pull it out forcefully. First, push the drain joint inward and then remove the plug. Then connect the other end of the drain pipe to the drain joint. Then use a container to collect the drained water. When draining the water, you can lower the water pipe to facilitate the drainage. The video is being accelerated. After the drainage is completed, fix the ball valve on the drainage pipe so as to facilitate the next drainage. Keep the drain ball valve in the closed state at 90 degrees. When drainage is needed next time, just turn the ball valve to 180 degrees. There is no need to remove the plug of the drain outlet every time. The above is the operation instructions for using the machine. Thank you all for watching.